Happy Wednesday from Grace and Faith Doodles. We have the Flavors of Christmas litter and the Grinch litter. They're all 4 weeks old, and they are working on weaning. We are well on our way. Moms are only coming in to nurse about once a day now. They're eating kibble. They are playing and up on their feet. We've got puppy picking happening next weekend. So these little guys are too cute, though. They were up playing this morning, so I thought I'd grab a quick video of everybody actually being on their feet. Or at least a few of them. Oh, hi. They're getting lots of new experiences, new people. Great socialization. They are curious. Oh, yes, you can't see it, but I've got one coming up, checking out the camera. Hi, Sweet Pea. Yes. Oh, yes. That is Miss Eggnog. What do we have over here? We have Candy Cane laying down. We've got Sugar Plum over there deciding to use the potty tray. Sponge. Let's see, we got Fudge. Yeah, this is Fudge. We have Augustus. We have, this looks like Cindy Lou. And this one is either Toffee or Truffle. I can't see his collar.
It's red.
It's red. Oh, that's gingerbread. Let's see, who else we got going down here?
Peppermint's right there.
Peppermint is here getting a drink.
Ooh.
Cindy Lou says, it's nap time, people. What are we doing playing? Toffee and Truffle are here in front of me, and they're saying, oh no, let's play. Oh yes, you're being very, that's Truffle. Hi, Truff. Oh yes. Hi. Oh, look at that little tail wiggle. I don't know if you see the tail wiggle. Oh, Sugar Plum's playing with the toy. And the mama dogs are saying, hello, it is breakfast time. You've cleaned the puppy pen. It's time that we eat. This is sweet little Sugar Plum. Where is she going? Hey, Sugar Plum.
She's chunk.
So these are 4-week-old F1B Goldendoodles. On the small side, they're going to be between, what did I say? Well, mom's 35 pounds, dad's 30, so between 25 and 35 pounds, full grown, approximately. Some are definitely on the smaller side, some are on the bigger side. Boy, everybody congregated at me. I can't see you when you're up next to me. It says, but we want humans. We love people. There's little Truffles, very playful. Their personality's just beginning to come out. Oh yes, Truffle loves to play. Here's Sweet Gingerbread. Oh yes. Look at that tail wiggle. Look at that tail wiggle. Oh goodness. It's the best part, the tail wiggles. The tail wiggles, they're just now getting, to me, this is my favorite spot. They're just starting to turn into little dogs. They really have starting to shine and show some personality. Oh, what are you doing? That one's Toffee. Toffee and Truffle. Yes. And Candy Cane's over here. He's like, I'm taking a nap, people. Cindy Lou's over here. She says, I'm taking a nap. Augustus says, I think I'll join you. Gingerbread says, hey, let's play with the ball. This rolly thing. So there's our 4-week-old pups.